I'm your Eaton County neighborhood reporter, Willem Mink, and around the county, a big question is what's next after the failure of the public safety millage? I've been reporting on the future of law enforcement here, and I showed you last week that local leaders agreed on a plan to save Delta Patrol. But as I was listening to the meeting, I heard the sheriff bring up another concern. I'm showing you what he said and what I've learned since. This is Eaton County Sheriff Tom Reich at a meeting last week.
If we only staff the front end, meaning the deputies, and cut the back end, which is the prosecution, we create a bottleneck.
Eaton County Prosecutor Doug Lloyd says there are 10 prosecutors, including himself, serving the county. He'd like to have 17 for his workload.
And right now I have 7,000 open cases that are somehow working themselves through the system.
I looked into what delays in prosecution can mean for a case. And according to Michigan statute of limitations, after 6 years, if charges for some felony crimes, including theft, assault, or arson, are not filed, the prosecutor cannot file charges, and that means it won't be prosecuted. Have you ever told a victim before that you don't have enough prosecutors to handle their cases?
No. In the 30 years that I've been a prosecutor, the one thing that we've always done as prosecutor is make sure that the victims are actually handled correctly.
And is this something that you think you're going to have to do in the future?
There's going to be serious discussions. We always take each case individually, but there's only so many hours in a day.
Since the failure of the public safety millage, 4 open positions in Lloyd's office have been cut, with more potential cuts to staff on the horizon. This is as plans to save 38 jobs in the sheriff's office have been made through a new agreement for Delta Patrol. Those are the deputies who patrol my neighborhood of Delta Township. Lloyd says any more cuts to his budget will directly result in staffing cuts.
I'm 97% of my budget is personnel. So when you talk about, just, live within your means, well, living within my means that, my personnel get cut.
On June 27th, another special board meeting will be held where more cuts could be made.
I'm not sure what else I'm supposed to say to the county commissioners when public safety is more than just the sheriff's department. Public safety is the prosecutor's office as well as the courts.
In Eaton County, I'm Willem Mink, Fox 47 News.